How to choose correct arbor. First of all, if you are using a bimetal hole saw, please remember to use an HSS pilot drill. And if you are using a carbide tipped hole saw, use a carbide tipped pilot drill. Simple as that. We have 5 different arbors. The quick eject arbor I would recommend to my best friend. With this you can simply eject the core after cutting and take it away, and that is a big time saver. We have a long version of this for multi-construction hole saws, and we have a short version for bimetal and carbide hole saws. The power drive arbor is perfect for really big hole saws, because with this you eliminate the play between the arbor and the hole saw, and that provides a very stable fixation while cutting. The quick change arbor is great because with this you don't need to use any tools to change your hole saw. You can simply pull the pins down and release the hole saw after cutting. Arbors with SDS plus shank. These can also have the quick change function, but they are special because you can use these in your SDS plus machine. The standard arbors are for small hole saws. They can have different shank size. Choose the largest size that fits into your machine. Visit bahco.com for more information.